Kisemba Alexander ko muhandiki nasima bona rebo kuturetere mibazi aho kubana nyoke nyini nandi kutere meza ya nshara nemimazi njine akimanyisa na nyoko already namakufuna nkonko bujanjabi aho ko nakozireki nafuna bujanjabi nasima bona rebo
officially handed over to the community two health center tools.
Somebody who has been moving up to Rugashari is going to come here, which is less distance and less costly. So it's like he has helped very many people here. Our younger children, they suffer from malaria, and malaria just needs the Panadol and the Cotam. So it is very easy for a child to bring himself or herself to this health center for checkup. And some of us have been fearing going for checkup. So you put in some transport that you are going for body checkup.
And we have equipped the health centers with the necessary drugs and equipment to manage the cases that will be reported here.
Nyendi kusima ona le babana basi abwe bintu byatukoreye katondekera igwariro twaguma ceberezaho turafuna imibazi ngeni tobakazi turi kwisimba munonga lero yatuletera n'imibazi ecarenga.
We have told the community that this is a basic health center to diagnose cases like malaria, and we treat UTI infections, noticing issues to do with the blood pressure, blood sugar, antenatal care, and immunization.
Turasima MP witu Emanzi Banabasi aho kutuletera ubuhereza hii
kusima umukuru Barinabasi habo kutwijuka akaturetere mibazi umurwero yabera twombekire
mazina ninye Kisemba Alexander ko muhandiki nasima bona rebo kuturetere mibazi aho kubana nyoke nyini nandi kutere meza ya nshara nemimazi njine akimanyisa na nyoko already namakufuna nkonko bujanjabi aho ko nakozireki nafuna bujanjabi